Hey fitness fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rakib Sanand. In this video, I'll help you build the perfect weekly workout plan, even if you're a total beginner. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I guarantee you'll walk away with a complete fitness roadmap. Let's dive right in. Before we plan anything, you need to understand your body type. There are three types: ectomorph, naturally thin and lean; mesomorph, balanced and athletic; endomorph, heavier and stores fat easily. Identify your type first because your plan depends on it. For most people, 4 to 5 workout days a week is ideal. If you're just starting out, don't push for 7 days. Your body needs rest to grow. I personally take 2 to 3 rest days each weekend. Trust me, I've seen better results that way. We have 8 main body parts to train: biceps, triceps, back, shoulders, legs, abs, chest, and forearms. Here's the golden rule: big muscles, do 4 to 8 exercises; small muscles, do the 2-4 exercises for sets, 12 to 24 sets. Day if you're training 2 muscles, 6 to 12 sets, 4 small muscles. Never go beyond 24 sets per day, you'll risk injury. There's no magic numbers. Start with what feels challenging but safe. Warm up, then increase your weight slowly every week. Progress equals growth. Don't fear heavy lifting, fear staying the same. Keep your sessions between minimum 45 minutes optimal, 60 minutes maximum, 75 minutes more than 75 minutes. You'll tire your muscles out too much. Workouts are just 50% of the game. The other 50%, your diet. You need a mix of protein, carbs, fats, and calories. Even if you're overweight, don't cut out carbs completely. They give you energy. Protein formula: workout person equals body weight x 260 kilograms, person equals 120 grams. Protein day: here are some budget-friendly protein sources. Eggs, -6 grams protein each. Sea fish, 40 grams protein per 100 grams. Peanuts, -25 grams protein per 100 grams. Soya chunks, -36 grams protein per 100 grams. Chicken breast, approximately 36 grams protein per 100 grams. These foods help with muscle recovery without using supplements. So, that's it. That's your complete weekly workout and diet plan in one video. If you're serious about getting fit, follow this for 1 month and watch your progress skyrocket. Let me know in the comments what's your body type. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more fitness guides, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay fit. This is Rakib signing off.